Hey guys, it's Shira Lazar from Partners Project and What's Trending. This is my Project for Awesome video submission. What is Project for Awesome, you might ask? Well, it is the one day that YouTubers come together to raise money and awareness for their favorite charities. So what charity do I want you to know more about? The Trevor Project. The Trevor Project is the leading organization for suicide intervention and prevention, and I've had the honor to work with the Trevor Project this past year, and it is just so important for organizations like this to be around. I am so sick of all these stories of young people either committing or attempting suicide and being bullied. This is something that must stop. And that is why it is so important to support nonprofits like this, which show people that there is hope, that they do have support, that they are loved. So, to find out more about the Trevor Project and to donate, just go to thetrevorproject.org. And remember, be awesome, support Project for Awesome, and share what charity you support with the world.